क्लास 8 मैथमेटिक्स एक्सरसाइज 6.3 स्टैटिक्स की एक्सरसाइज 6.3 and that is the probability. How can find the probability? First of all, the formula of probability. What is the formula of probability? Probability, that is this one. It is defined by probability is defined as PE, and PE is equal to number of happening event, that is NE, and number of total event which is happening or not happening, that is the NS. So how can find the NE and NS in your questions? Now come to the first question. It's your formula of probability. Probability is represented by PE, number of events which is happening, which is denoted by NE, and number of events which is happening or not happening, that is the NS. So how can find this one? Now come to the first question. What will be the probability? Draw a card of diamond from a pack of cards. So first of pack of cards that have total number of cards, that is the NS. Total number of cards in a cards, that is the 52 cards. ताश के पत्तों में 52 कार्ड्स होते हैं. And how many diamonds? Diamonds, there is 4 types of cards, in which one is diamond. डायमंड को हम हिंदी में ईंट का बोलते हैं, पत्ता. So that is 13, and E is given as 13. ये डायमंड पैक ऑफ कार्ड 52 का होता है, उसमें 13 डायमंड होते हैं. आवर फार्मूला ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी, दैट इज द PE. PE इज इक्वल टू, that is NE upon NS. NE is 13 and total number is 52. 13 1 ja 13 and 13 4 ja. So our answer is 1/4. Okay. Now come to the second question. In second question, what happened? This is your second question. A bag contains 6 white, 11 red, 7 blue. Find out the probability of drawing a white ball out of the bag. First of all, we want to find the total number of events which is happening or not. 6 white, 11 red, and 7 blue. So total is how much? It is 24. Now drawing white ball. White ball is only 6 ball. So that is the NE. NE is 6 ball. So probability, that is denoted by PE, is equal to NE upon NS. NE is given as 6 and it is 24. 6 1 ja 6 and 6 4 ja. So our answer is 1/4. Probability, that is the happening chance. How many percentage of happening chance? किसी भी घटना के होने की probability, मतलब कितने chances हैं उसका हो जाए. So your second question will be completed. Now come to the third question. Here is third question. A horse race competition has 5 competitions. Competitors हैं इसमें 5. Find their probability of winning the race. 6 competitors हैं यहाँ पे, यानी 6 horses हैं. So that is total number of events which is happening or not be happening, that is NS. It is your 5. And out of 5, as you know, 1 is only winner. So your number of happening event, that is the NE, it is 1. So probability, as you know, probability is equal to NE upon NS. NE is 1 and NS is 5. So 1 upon 5 is your answer. Now come to the fourth question. A basket, there are 10 apples. This one is 10 apples. 8 pomegranate, अनार जिसको बोलते हैं, and 12 guavas means अमरूद हैं. What will be the probability taking out of apple from the basket? Apples की probability बतानी है. Apple is 10 only. So first of all, the total number of events which is happening or not happening. It is 10 plus 8 plus 12. So it becomes 30. And out of 30, the apple is only 10. So our formula of probability PE is equal to, that is NE upon NS. NE is given as 10 and the total number is 30. 0 cancel with 0. So we get 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 3 as your answer. Now come to the fifth question. This is your fifth question. Find out the probability of appearance of an even number when a coin is tossed. This question is for your homework. This question is for your homework, so you can do at home. Fifth question homework है आपका. And what about 6th question? On tossing a coin, what will the probability of appearance of head and the appearance of tail for that coin? As you know, the coin has only two faces. One is head and second one is tail. It has only two faces. So probability of head appears, मतलब ये head हमारा probability होनी चाहिए, उसकी पता नहीं है. So number of total events, it is 2 only, 1 and 2 head and tail, and total of number of events which is happening only, that is the head, and it is only 1. So we know probability PE is given by NE upon NS. NE is 1 and NS is 2, so that is your answer. Your exercise we finished. I think you have only one question for your homework, so you can do at home and you can see on your book, टेक्स्ट बुक. टेक्स्ट बुक मैंने पहले ही सेंड कर दी थी आप लोगों को PDF की फॉर्म में, तो आप लोग उसको देख करके सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. आई होप ये आप लोग सारे क्वेश्चंस कर लेंगे प्रोबेबिलिटी के, और ये सारे क्वेश्चन कॉपी में कंप्लीट करेंगे. कंप्लीट करने के बाद इसको चेक करने के लिए रखेंगे. जब कॉलेज स्कूल वगैरह खुलेंगे तो उस टाइम हम लोग चेक करेंगे, और इस चैप्टरों को फिर से हम रिवाइज करने की कोशिश करेंगे. ये वीडियो कैसा लगा, लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और सब्सक्राइब भी करिए. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.